so early right now. Well, that says 8:14, but it's really 7:14. I gotta get to work. I have a meeting in 15 minutes. More like it. I assume this bus is gonna have to get over since the school is that way. We'll see though. I will check with you. All right, I will check back with you guys in, I don't know, 8 hours? 9 hours. Oh, yeah, 9 hours. All right, we are off work. Thank God. That's 9 hours. I called that one. Almost 9 hours exact. So good to be off work. It's a Monday for sure. Just it's business slang for giving up on life. When you complain about Mondays. Just trust me. I've had it with Mondays. Anyway, so last night, so yesterday was my first vlog, where, like, the first one, so you guys have already seen it, and so I spent, like, most of the night cutting out, I don't know, I think I had like 55 minutes worth of footage, got it down to like 25, like, just through the first time through. I may go through it again, see what else I can kind of cut out. I don't really want to make like a super long one. I don't think very many people are going to watch it, period, but I also don't want, I don't know, I don't think I have that much stuff to talk about to make people want to stick around for that long. We'll see. So this is kind of my follow-up. I noticed that the camera, I noticed that the camera was like too high. So I think I corrected that. I'm hoping so. I also think that we're gonna go and look at helmets this weekend. Because so the problem with this helmet that I noticed is that, so when I bought the GoPro and mounted it to my helmet, and I would record, when I put the mic in and started recording sound, it like kept doing like a popping sound. I couldn't figure out what the hell was going on. So I got to looking at it and realized that this helmet had like the Bluetooth, or has the Bluetooth, and like with the speakers in the ears and the mic for it. And I realized that the speaker in the right ear, which I had the mic on my right side, the speaker on the right ear was causing popping. So in my high blood pressure rage, I kind of ripped it out and realized that I kind of tore off a little piece of plastic. So I'm still new to this whole motovlogging thing, and I didn't finish the story there. I just kind of went on to something else that wasn't really that important. So basically what I was saying was I realized that the mic of the GoPro that was attached to my GoPro was really getting like static from my helmet. Well, in my helmet I had Bluetooth built into it, and it was every time I went to the speakers, or every time I coiled the cable up by the speaker, it would pop. So I took the speaker out of both ears and the wiring. When I did that, it broke some of the plastic and styrofoam that goes along the helmet. So what I was going to go into was that my wife and I were going out of town this weekend, and I was going to buy a new helmet, which I did, and you guys will see in the next video. But I think that had something to do with the wind noise, at least I hope. I have some ideas for trying to muffle that even more. I think I had a setting wrong on the GoPro, and all this should kind of help out. It kind of sucks because yesterday was super nice. So it was February 2nd. Super nice. Today I thought was supposed to be the same, but the weather, I think it's colder now than it was when I left for work this morning. I mean, I'm thankful that I just had a warm enough temperature to not be shaking when I was riding. But I think we're also supposed to get snow tomorrow night. I don't know. The guy at the store just now just told me tomorrow night. I've read otherwise. I didn't want to call him on his fake news, but you know, I might call him back and tell him he was wrong. I may not. Anyway, this is gonna be a short episode. I didn't really have much to talk about. Just kind of seeing how things went. Figure I'd record while I could. I'm gonna go home, play with my pups, which I will include a picture of. Right, meow. And yeah, just kind of relax. Just kind of relax. I hope all you guys had a good whatever day you're watching this, whatever time you're watching this. But like I was saying, if you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I swear it'll get better. All right, well everyone, take it easy. I'll talk to y'all later.